right, what is going on YouTube? Another quick recap from today, from this morning. One trade made like 80 bucks this morning. So let's talk about what happened, what we did right, what we did wrong. Ultimately, 80 bucks is not the daily target, so we kind of fell short of our target. Pulling up the 2-minute chart here, we kind of had support down here at this 21,495 to 500 area, 21,498 being the bottom of the 15-minute range. And then we had hourly support, which was a pivot point at 21,495. So market opened up here. We pushed down. It's kind of like this bear flag pre-market that maybe we could have got in on and just took a short right there when the market opened, but I usually don't like trading open, so usually wait until like 9 a.m. Texas time to start placing trades. So we started kind of chopping around down here underneath inside the 15-minute range, and just that hourly pivot point acting as support in this area right here, which is what kind of cautioned me about taking this short right here, which in hindsight would have been the move. We kind of pushed down, created this bear flag, pulled back into the 21 EMA, and then finally got that pop down to this pivot point down here, which would have been our target at the 21,455 area. But I didn't take that trade. Instead, we took a quick scalp before that, grabbed like 12 points. As you can see right here, I got short at 9:30 at the 21,516 level. If I would have just held that trade longer, we eventually did get that break to the downside to that pivot point, but I initially had this on like this, I think, a little bit steeper, but took some partial profits at like 7 points, and then we got 12 points here, and then got stopped out at break even here. Yep, just a little bit early. Obviously, the trade probably would have been nicer to like enter here around the 505 area on this 1-minute candle, breaking out here and then setting our stop up here somewhere. We would have held through drawdown for a little bit before getting that continuation. I didn't want to get trapped inside here. I didn't want to take a short right above, like at 505 would have been above the hourly pivot point and above inside the 15-minute range. So it just felt a little trappy. I didn't want to take it. I didn't want to get stuck in here. You know, I literally talked about, yeah, it could just pop out and go down to the pivot point here. And then it ended up doing that right as I said it. But I didn't want to get trapped in here. I wanted to see price kind of get through this pivot point and then continue down. Or, you know, if we were going to take longs, if we started closing above the 15-minute range. So then the market just kind of consolidated sideways for a while, pushed back up inside of the range, and then got a huge drop down at noon to 21,367. And market's still open right now, and we're back inside the 15-minute range, right, you know, in the middle of the 15-minute range. So there it is, just one trade for the day. We're green, 78 bucks after fees. This week we are up so far 798 bucks. There's our P&L for the week. So doing all right. We're only trading like 6 micros at a time. So yeah, basically once this trade happened and then I saw I missed this, I shut it down for the day. So there it is. Nothing too crazy. That's our recap for the day. I will be trading again. Tomorrow's Thursday. And then I'll just jump on here and share with y'all how I did again. We'll just keep doing this. All right, guys. Peace out. Later.